Just hold it?
Yeah, just hold it. I just gotta put on my gloves. You're a killer cameraman.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I think so. You're a killer cameraman, Sean.
I'm a natural.
You are. So, as you guys can see, we're building a 100 sub, holy shit, it's cold. We're building a 100 sub play button out of wood, and my buddy Sean, which you guys have seen in, that's Sean's hand. I've been recording the whole time. You guys saw Sean in a snowmobile ride from last year, right?
I don't know, it's different.
I don't know, dude.
Definitely. Yeah,
Yeah.
and my toy hunt.
So the whole reason that Sean and I are hanging out is because we are going toy hunting, and we actually just lucked out.
That's a steal. Where's my kid? Hold on.
Oh yeah, you're in the toy hunt. So
We almost lost my daughter.
we did almost do that, but yeah. So guys, enjoy Gold Play Button Make. Thanks. That looks like a play button.
That's looking good up there, right?
Kind of wish that I wasn't an idiot at tracing. That's not bad, right?
Good. Just keep it
Like a kindergartner did it. There it is, coming out. No, it doesn't. It looks great, dude. There's one reason I asked you to help me. It's because I knew that once we started this, you would just totally take over, and I could stand behind the camera the whole time and be like, look what I'm making. I'm making this, but I'm not. It's you. This is your play button, technically.
Subscribe.
Oh, baby, we're getting there. Look at that. It's coming out.
Is this too small?
No, that'll work.
That'll work.
That's it. Oh my God, it's cold.
Like,
I'm thinking like beneath it.
so like, here?
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Right? Cool. We're getting there. There's sawdust all over my camera.
Oh no.
Oh no! But we're getting there. Looking cool. I love it. I love it.
Do you like that color? Or do you want something different? This is good.
Look at that red though. That red though. Yeah, that's the red. That's it, baby. That's play button red. So there's not a lot left that we have to do. We have to literally let paint dry. The next time you guys see me, I'll be thanking you for 100 subscribers, and I'll be showing you the finished product of the wooden play button. Sean, thanks a lot, dude. All right, so a couple days have gone by, paint has dried, and I am ready to unveil the 100 subscriber wooden plaque to you guys. Here it is. Over a year ago, 50 videos ago, we had 0 subscribers, and today we have 100, actually 109. So thanks to everybody that's watched, subscribed, liked, and commented on everything that I've made thus far. You validate everything that I've done to make this channel what it is today. A year from now, hopefully we can double up, at least triple up, something crazy. Our next milestone is gonna be super high. We're shooting for 500 subs. I'm gonna see how 2018 goes. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for this. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.